Welcome back, y'all. Nathan Christ here, and today I am talking about my pickup truck. I use it all day, every day for work. Guys, I don't do a great job of keeping it clean, especially on the inside of the truck. Don't judge me on how dirty it is. But one thing that I did make sure to do, and I'm pretty happy that I did, was as soon as I bought the truck, I bought a pair of seat covers for it. And guys, these seat covers have been phenomenal. And the reason I did that is because everything inside was cloth, and I wanted to make sure that the integrity of the seats stood up, especially with the work. Now, in the past, I've bought the cheap seat covers that you can get from Walmart, and I've been let down every time. But guys, these seat covers that I bought have really been awesome. Now, I don't get anything for making this video. I'm not sponsored. I'm just a believer who wanted to share my experience, and guys, that's it. Now, what I'm gonna do in just a minute, and I haven't even done this yet, so it's gonna be a surprise for me too, is I'm gonna take the seat covers off, and guys, they've been on there. I bought the truck in June of 2017, and they were on the first week that I bought it. I didn't wanna clean it first because I wanted you guys to see the conditions of what I work in every single day, so you know if it'll work for you. All right, let's go check it out. All right, guys, here she is, super dirty. It's been wet and it's been a muddy winter, and guys, I haven't done anything. So if you haven't already noticed, I'm kind of an outdoorsman, and so I dig on camo. I like camo stuff. I'm sure they make the covers in different things. This was a mossy oak, like a duck blind camo. But guys, this material, I wish you could feel it. This is like a super thick, I don't want to say super thick, like not obnoxiously thick, but definitely not a cheap material. And it feels like denim. It kind of feels like jeans or kind of like Carhartt. And the only reason I'm taking these seat covers off today is, look, as you can see right here. So this is 2 years of wear and tear. So just basically just getting in and just sliding my butt across it. It has just kind of wore down this side of the fabric. So basically what I'm going to do, since these front seats are mirrored, they're the exact same. I'm going to take this seat cover off and put it on the other side, and I'm going to take that seat cover on the other side and bring it over here so that the worn out part is on the inside. So you can see on the passenger side, this side here doesn't have nearly as much butt traffic as what mine does. And regardless, this side from the passenger seat is going to be on the inside of the driver's seat, which you can see the inside of the driver's seat is perfectly fine. So if I swap these seat covers on the front, it's going to be just fine. But look how much it covers, guys. It covers the whole seats, front and back, headrests all the way up. And one thing that I really did like is it also covers this, but it allows me to still have access to my cargo thing. But guys, look how dirty. I don't know if you can see. Let me come back over to the other side. All right, so I'm back on the other side. Look how dirty this armrest is, guys. I mean, I work in the heat, I work in the mud, I work in all sorts of tough conditions. So imagine if that was the cover of the thing, I'd have it, it'd be filthy. So guys, I'm gonna take this front seat cover off and just take a look at it, what it's underneath, and show you guys what 2 years of seat covers, no cleaning, nothing. 2 straps underneath here that go underneath the length of the seat, and they hook onto these clips and just fasten in place, and then there's Velcro that sticks to the bottom of the seat. So I'm gonna try to set this camera up so you can see me pulling the seat cover off. All right, guys, so you might not have the best view here, but I want to take this off and let's just look at it together. So I've got it open at the bottom. On the sides, it's just where it kind of tucks into the plastic a little bit. It's got these little clips. They're not really clips. They're just little plastic pieces that hold the fabric on. I'll show you guys in just a second. Oh my gosh, guys. I think you're gonna be impressed. I'm impressed. Holy smokes. Let's see if I can work this up. Oh, I got dirt in the crack of the seat cover itself. So I had to take that head mount completely off, which was no big deal. But now what I want to see if I can do is see if I can get this up and over without spilling the dirt that's actually trapped in the seat cover here. All right, let's take a look and see what we got here. All right, guys, so I haven't touched it at all, and I just want you to look at the seat cover. Now, it's not really doing it justice. You can see here, this is where it was starting to wear through, right? That's where it was getting thin. So that dust and stuff was getting through there. And there's a little bit in the back of the seat, Literally just surface dust. This seat looks like, I mean, that thing looks brand new. Side's a little bit dirty. The side's a little bit dirty, guys, but I'm talking about brand new. It doesn't even look like a butt's ever even touched this seat before. It's just a little bit dusty, and that's incredible for the amount of wear and tear that I've put on this in 2 years, 2.5 years. Man, that's incredible. I am really happy. So I'm going to take this other seat cover off, see if it looks the same. Posterity stake. I wanted to show you this other seat. So same thing, a little bit of dust here in the cracks, and it actually looks worse on camera than it does in person. So I'm just rubbing it just real gently. And guys, that's gone. I mean, and this side, where this side wasn't as in bad a shape, that's just a dry rub. That's not even with a damp cloth or anything. So guys, this literally, truly has saved my seats. All right, guys, so I'm putting it back in, and I just noticed this, so I just wanted to point it out. So actually, I guess there technically is a designated driver side and passenger side for these seat covers, but let me show you the difference. So the seat cover that I'm actually installing on the driver's side now, I took off the passenger side. So the first thing I noticed was this little stretchy nylon piece of fabric. It's actually what was holding the seat belt in place, but guys, I'm not super worried about that. I'll probably just cut that off. But the only other thing, let me see if I can set this other seat cover up here. So this would be how the other seat cover sat. Okay, so on the driver's side, there's these two little plastic tabs, and that's what I was talking about, was stuck down in here, kind of locking it in place. Now all I have on this side is the Velcro. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to take this and I'm going to tuck it down in here, and I have a feeling that it's not going to come out very easily. Also, just as I suspected, it fits in here just fine. So guys, I spent, I don't know, maybe $200 on these seat covers, and not only did they last 2 years from the original installation, all I had to do was swap the two front seat covers. Look, brand new now, brand new. I'll get another 2 years out of these seat covers. Fantastic investment, awesome investment for me. Guys, without a doubt, without a shadow of doubt in my mind, this has truly saved my truck seats. Because when I say I'm rough on stuff, guys, I don't mean just like a little bit of mud, or I'm talking about when I'm ready to come home, I'm ready to come home. If I got mud on my boots, if I'm working, it doesn't matter what I'm doing, concrete, whatever, I'm getting in my truck and I'm going. So guys, this has truly saved the seats of my trucks. I highly recommend it. And guys, I was skeptical at first because I was used to paying $20 or $30 for a seat cover from Walmart. And guys, I cannot speak highly enough about these seat covers. They were custom fit, perfect for my truck, and had everything I needed. Had both the passenger seats, had the bench seat, cargo area, had the split bench in the back, or the full bench in the back, the split bench up front. And guys, it was a perfect fit for my truck. So guys, hopefully you found something useful out of that. If you did, great. You know, and if you find something else, guys, I'm always open. If you guys find other things that work or things that you like better, or any comments you guys have, go ahead and drop them in the comments section. If you found some value and you want to follow our channel, be awesome. Hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. And I will always, anytime I talk about a product or anytime I mention anything, guys, I'll put links in the description. So if you guys want to do your own research and buy them or don't buy them, whatever you want to do, but that way you've got access to it. So guys, it's starting to rain, and I got to get this other seat cover put back in before it bottom falls out. So I just want to let you guys know, as always, I love you, I appreciate you, and God bless you guys. All right, guys, take care. Appreciate you. Peace out. See ya.